Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Steven. This is Single Malt Sunday, and today I am trying one that I just got in the mail. I had to special order this one, but it looks so good. I don't do this very often, but this is only the second time I've done it actually, where I've actually ordered online because I couldn't find it anywhere. So I've seen lots of pronunciations for this. Tomintoul or Tomintoul. I think that's Tomintoul. Anyway, this is a Speyside Scotch from Speyside, Scotland. It is their cigar malt. Now, the interesting thing about, the fact that it's called a cigar malt, you might think, oh, it tastes like tobacco, which actually sounds pretty good to me. But in fact, I don't think it tastes like tobacco. It's meant to be paired with a cigar. This is why they call it a cigar malt. And you can see it's got a cool label. It's got this what the cigars have the labels that go around them, and you can kind of see that at the bottom of the outer container here. So that's kind of cool looking. This is 43% ABV. So my guess is not chill filter, or my guess is it could be chill filtered because it's a little lower ABV. So it could be filtered. There's no age statement on this. And that's kind of it for stats on this thing. Let me give it a pour. This is peated. Tomintoul does peat. They use peated malt for their whiskeys. And yeah, it is also finished in sherry. And you can tell from the color. It's definitely, I'm assuming it's not, that there's no coloring added. They don't say that, but there doesn't seem to be a reason they'd need to necessarily do that when they're finishing it in a sherry butt. It is finished in Oloroso sherry butts for, I think, I don't know if they said. I wanted to say a year, but I'm not sure if they said. So let's, like I said, I've never tried this one. This is a big leap for me to order this and have it shipped, and never tried it, but very sherry forward. So you're getting, from the sherry, you're getting a lot of like dry fruit. Interesting, I'm not smelling any of the peat smoke that they say is in it. Oh, there it is. Boy, it's hidden. Very, very hidden, the smoke. I'm just going to take a quick sip to acclimatize my palate. Oh, that is smooth. Oh my goodness. Did not expect that on like the first acclimatation. That is so smooth. Wow. Like I say, I know, like real whiskey aficionados hate it when I've got this thing turned around on you, don't I? They hate it when you call whiskey smooth. I just mean that it's going down without much fight, Wow. All right. So again, I can now smell more of the smoke. It's starting to come out. But it's not like an Islay Scotch where the smoke is just in your face. That's what you're drinking, right? As far as the palate goes, oh my gosh, you guys, this was worth it. This was worth having it special ordered. So. It tastes like liquid, sort of like liquid jam, like blackberry jam or raspberry jam or something. You get the typical dried fruit, raisin flavors. The smoke is unbelievably subtle. So I almost would like to have more peat smoke in it, but wow. A little bit of like, I won't say it's bitter on the finish. I'll just say there is a little bit of almost like the bitter coffee note on the finish, but it's not like unpleasantly bitter, if that makes sense. Yeah, there's definitely some chocolate in there. This is going to need to sit for a little bit because I can tell already that it's changing as I speak. Definitely getting the chocolate toffee. I just got like a mouthful of toffee with that. Oh man. Wow. I am happily surprised that this was a decent choice because it was, like I say, random, that I happened to see this and think, oh, I would love to try that. Anyway, if you can get it where you're at, I would recommend it for sure. It's not super punchy, so if you're into higher ABV whiskeys, this would not be for you. I don't think it needs any water because it's already at a low ABV and it really doesn't punch too much, but oh man, it is delicious. So, hey, thanks for stopping by and sharing a dram of whiskey with me this Sunday afternoon. I'll be back next Sunday for another single malt, and until then, sláinte.